Hey guys, what's going on? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I'm going to be doing my very first giveaway. Today I'm going to be giving away Destiny 2. It's a pretty fun game. It's going to be on PC, it's not any of the consoles, so you are going to have a pretty good gaming computer to run it. This is my first ever giveaway, so your chances of winning this game are pretty good. So there's a few steps you got to do to win this giveaway. Number one, you have to be subscribed, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there if you haven't already, and then click the little bell notification so you're notified whenever I make a new video. Next thing you got to do is like it, so go ahead and also like the video as well. Third thing you want to do is go ahead and comment below and tell me why you want this game. And after that, go into the description and you'll see the Gleam link where you can follow the directions on how to win. Now, I'm not going to be choosing winners based on the amount of subscribers I have and dig into a big pile of that, because a lot of those are dead accounts and those people don't even watch YouTube anymore. I'm actually going to be doing specific Gleam instructions, and if you follow the first 4 things by subscribing, liking, commenting, and hitting the bell notification. So that makes your chances of winning even better. So follow those steps, and in less than a month, I'm going to be posting a video on choosing the winner and let you know who won. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.